Wondering if a hot tub ozonator is right for you? Adding an ozonator to your spa is easier than you might think. And an ozonator can save you money on chemicals while keeping your water free of contaminants. So here's everything that you need to know about hot tub ozonators. Check it out. First, how does a hot tub ozonator work? A hot tub ozonator generates and injects ozone gas into your spa water. Ozone helps to remove impurities from the water and reduce the amount of chemicals that you need to keep your hot tub running clean. You're probably familiar with oxygen, or O2. Ozone, or O3, is a beefed up version of oxygen that kills contaminants in your spa water. Ozone attaches itself to bacteria and other contaminants in your hot tub water. This includes lotions, soap, makeup, cologne, sunscreen, hairspray, and even bodily fluids. Now, if you have an ozonator, you still have to use a little hot tub sanitizer like chlorine or bromine, but ozone can work with way less sanitizer than you'd normally need. Ozone not only destroys microorganisms, but it also helps clump together total dissolved solids in the water, and that makes it easier for your filter cartridge to remove them. And because it's so reactive, ozone also helps break up chlorine and bromine molecules that have bonded to contaminants. That means you won't have to shock your hot tub as often because ozone frees up your sanitizer and helps it stay active in the water. However, there is a downside to ozone's power. Because ozone is so reactive, it can wreak havoc on the vinyl interior of your hot tub cover. So be sure to add a hot tub thermal blanket to protect the inside of your cover. Okay, let's talk about the two main types of ozonators, ultraviolet light and corona discharge. While they both have the same functions, UV and CD ozonators each have their pros and cons. First up, ultraviolet light ozonators. These use UV light to split oxygen molecules into free oxygen atoms. These free oxygen atoms recombine with ambient oxygen to create ozone. Now, on the plus side, UV systems are not affected by ambient humidity, so they'll produce ozone no matter the climate. They're also easier to clean. On the downside, they're not as powerful, they have a shorter lifespan, and they may cost more to run if you've got a large hot tub. Also, their bulbs have to be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Now, what about corona discharge ozonators, aka CD ozonators? These models use much newer technology than UV systems. A corona discharge is a sheet of plasma that's created when a conductor is ionized by electricity. It looks like a halo or a crown, and corona means crown. CD ozonators have a long lifespan, high efficiency, and lower cost than UV ozonators. They can also handle much larger volumes of water. They don't have cartridges, chips, or bulbs to replace, and their plate ionizers can last up to 10 years. The drawback? They don't work well in high humidity, so if you live in an area where humidity is 60% or higher, it's not the best option. Now, before we get into adding an ozonator to your spa, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. Okay, here's how to get your spa ready to add an ozonator. Most newer hot tubs are sold as ozonator ready, which means they already have hookup for the unit. Number one, you want to check your owner's manual and verify that your hot tub will accept an ozonator. If there's room and a power hookup for your device, you're good to go. 2. Determine the proper voltage, either 120 or 240 volts. 3. Check your electrical system to make sure your timer works properly and your entire hardware system is protected by the ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. 4. Repair any leaks in your spa plumbing before you install something new. 5. Check the filters and clean them if necessary. 6 is to drain your hot tub and fill it with fresh water to give your ozonator a clean start. 7. Balance and sanitize your hot tub water. Remember, ozone reduces the amount of chemicals needed and improves water quality, but it won't replace your sanitizer. 8. Verify the plug type that you need to connect the ozonator to your hot tub's control pack. Okay, Your hot tub is Ozonator ready, and if you like to install your Ozonator yourself, be sure to check out our complete step-by-step guide on our website, swimuniversity.com. Okay, so you've installed your system, you've powered it up. Now, how do you maintain a hot tub ozonator? 1. Make sure that it's generating ozone. Test your hot tub water regularly with ozone test strips or a meter. Then adjust your hardware or increase your ozonator runtime accordingly. 2. Check your ozone delivery system. No matter how much ozone your unit's generating, if you have a faulty ozone injector, nothing will reach the water. So check your ozone injector before you troubleshoot or replace the entire system. Number 3, inspect the check valve. Keeping water out of your ozonator is essential, and your check valve is a key part of preventing backflow. If this valve leaks or fails, your hot tub could quickly destroy your ozonator. So check your valve regularly as part of your hot tub maintenance routine. And that's it. That's how a hot tub ozonator works. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. That's it. Thanks again, and happy soaking.